Oh, she's teething, I bet. Like, the teeth are coming in and she
Oh,
wants
that's
to
why she's...
crunch on something.
That makes sense. I was wondering why she was chewing on my toe earlier. Look at that little curl.
I was gonna say, do you see the curl at the end of her tail? Hello, little girl. I like it when you use your prehensile. I think it's cute. Look at you crunching up the... Oh! She's going crazy over the crunchies.
She doesn't want soft food right now.
She did not want the soft stuff, no.
It's really interesting. I mean, it's kind of obvious when you think about it, but animals are like, I know what I want, I know what I need when I need it.
Right.
Big yawn from Lily in the back.
Lily, you're being a good girl. Thank you for not eating the new baby.
Who's now washing herself.